In this video, I want to show you how to remove people from being editor of your Google Drive file. That is how to revoke access you have already or initially granted to some people to access a file in your Google Drive. So to do that, I will show you an example here and the reason why I want to remove people from being an editor or deny them the access to this very file. So this file, I actually put it on one of my YouTube video, and let me click it. So this is the file. It's about UTM conversion. So the file, I shared it with on my YouTube channel, and people are making requests to be an editor. But later on, I discovered that a lot of people are trying to hack my account, and as a result of that, I'm trying to remove all those I've given access to this very file. You can see, once I click on this share icon, you can see the number of people I've given access to this file. However, because of security reason, I want to remove some of them. If you too want to remove access you have granted to someone from your Google Drive file, this is how to do it. As you have opened the file, see, I can click here. You can see the person is an editor. So you can just change the person to viewer only. So you can see it has turned to viewer. Alternatively, you can click on it and even remove the access totally. If I click on it, you can see the person has been strike, which means he has been removed. You can see the person has been removed from having access to this very file. As a matter of fact, you see, two people already want to have access to this file. So, but just for security reason, I want to make everybody viewer only. So anybody that needs this very file, just download it instead of trying to become an editor. Another thing you can do, since in this case you can see there are so many people that are already editor to this file. Another thing you can do is to come to settings. So here, editor can change permission and share. So if you don't want that, you can just uncheck it. So you can see setting updated. Editor can't change anything and they can't share. So, but viewers and commenter can see the option to download, print, and copy. So anybody that needs this file, kindly just download it instead of trying to get editor permission to it. After you have done the changes, remember to click on save so that all the changes you have made to it can be saved. Yes, access updated. Thank you for watching.